Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Video number 1429. In this video, I am going to tell you regarding a case filed by a Keralite against the photo of Honorable Prime Minister of India on the vaccination certificate. He pleads that it is against to Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. And the single bench judge already dismissed his writ petition. Ultimately, it has gone to the division bench. Of course, they also concurred with him. And the Kerala High Court division bench held that PM has got a right to give a message. PM's photo on the vaccination certificate can be there. It's valid. It is not against the spirit of the Constitution of India. That is what was held by the Kerala High Court. You can refer the case as Peter malyiparampil. Peter malyiparampil PARAMPAL versus Union of India and another. Decided very recently by the Kerala High Court Chief Justice Shri Manikumar, and another judge Shaji P. Chali. So they held that the photo on the vaccination certificate issued to the petitioner is not any advertisement. As Prime Minister exceptio, that is Prime Minister has got a right to give a message. So this cannot be linked to right to vote. It is not an advertisement and it will not affect the public to cast vote for BJP. Now we will hear the arguments. The petitioner or appellant or Mr. Peter malyiparampil, he argued that COVID-19 vaccination certificate issued in the name of this Parampil with personal details and also the medical events is his personal space. So this certificate is given to so and so. It is in his personal capacity it was given. It should contain the details relating to Parampil or his medical, the thing that he has been vaccinated. First time like this, second like this has to be there, but not the photo. So the insertion of the photo of the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the message given by him, it is violative to freedom of speech and expression or Article 19(1)(a), because it will be the expression or the intention of the Prime Minister of India and not this man. So having been vaccinated for twice, so vaccination done. So this is only a propaganda tactic by the Prime Minister, this as alleged by our appellant. But and he also stated that the person who holds or holders of the vaccination certificate, they are a captive audience. So definitely the state or the government of India should not insert, so the so-called unwanted, should not impose unwanted content on the vaccination certificate. So actually he has placed reliance also on the very famous case, that is Common Cause case by Prashant Bhushan and others in 2015. So they have, but in this connection the single judge dismissed the petition, stating that this is vaccination. Actually, we have been thriving through pandemic, and due to the efforts of the government of India or the union and the states, were able to contain the pandemic at least to this stage. Definitely, the Prime Minister has got a right to advise the public, but that to the general public, to get vaccinated, even the booster dose also. Of course, first vaccination, then after 2 or 3 months second vaccination, after 9 months booster vaccination. What for? This is all to make awareness among the public that you can get rid of the so-called COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, now it has come to the endemic stage here. You can fight the COVID-19 when you are vaccinated. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So this is the message. He has not given any political message. So therefore, on seeing the photo and on seeing the message, the court has come to the conclusion that PM has got a right to get the message printed. PM's photo is not violated, and it is not linked to a right to vote. So right to vote. Ultimately, the writ petition filed by Mr. Peter Malyiparampil is defeated, rejected and dismissed even by the division bench also. I don't know whether he will go to the Honorable Supreme Court of India's writ appeal also can be filed, and we'll let us see whether he will file it or not. But as far as the present scenario is concerned, PM's photo on vaccination certificate is allowed, and PM has got right to give message. That's all. Thank you very much.